Hey everyone, my name is Shui. In this video, I want to show you my essential productivity apps I cannot live without and how I use them. On my YouTube channel, I introduce many cool apps and tools I like. Every single one of them is incredibly useful, but some of them are absolutely essential to my life. The first tool is My Mind. I've talked about this app so many times before, but it's worth keep mentioning it. My Mind is essentially an AI-powered bookmark app. I use this app as kind of my idea storage and a part of my note-taking system, which I explained in another video. As the name suggests, this app is like your external mind to save things you don't want to forget, including things like website, pictures, tweets, videos, PDFs, and text. I explained how I use this app in detail before, so I won't go into detail. If you're interested in a profile review of this app, please watch this video. But the way I use is that I simply save things I like from the internet so I can see them later again. You can save items either from your browser using their Chrome extension or from your phone using their mobile app. Both of them work really well. You can see what you saved on your phone or on your browser, but so far it may sound like just a normal bookmark app. But what's amazing about My Mind is the automatic tagging system. Unlike most of the bookmark apps where you have to assign tags manually to each item, My Mind does that automatically. When you save an item, its AI analyzes the content and it gives it relevant tags. This way you can easily find the items you need from your mind. However, My Mind is currently available for iOS, so if you're an Android user, I'd recommend another app called Walling, which is a great alternative with similar features. I actually made a comparison video about My Mind and Walling, so if you're interested, please watch it. The second app in my productivity stack is Roam Research. If My Mind is my idea storage, Roam Research is like my idea factory. It's where I distill the information I consumed and then create and develop new ideas. I use Roam Research primarily for studying and writing, which is like 50% of my job. I usually read things I saved in My Mind, make highlights, bring them into Roam, and make notes using the Zettelkasten note-taking method. Again, I made a video about this method a long time ago, so please check this video out. Then I use these notes to make blog posts and videos. I find Roam great for writing because I can see multiple notes in the sidebar as a reference. Also, I can use the block referencing to pull blocks anywhere from my knowledge base. Then use Replace With to modify it, or rewrite it, or turn it into an alias. This is incredibly useful because it makes writing so much easier while connecting ideas at the same time. For instance, it only took me like 30 minutes to make this first draft of a video script using block referencing. Also, I use Roam-spaced repetition for studying new things and remembering pretty much anything I don't want to forget. Things like my friends' birthdays, key takeaways from books, one-sentence summary of my notes, Spanish vocabulary, or cooking recipes. To be honest, there are lots of amazing note-taking apps out there, but I chose Roam because most of these apps don't have similar features, which are absolutely critical to my work. For managing my tasks and schedule, I use an app called Amplenote. I know it may sound like another note-taking app, but it's much more than that. Of course, you can take notes and make bidirectional linking like you do in Roam, but the reason why I use this app is that it's got such a sophisticated task management system and a great mobile app. Essentially, I use Amplenote for managing my tasks and planning my day and week. I talked about this process in my recent video, but at the beginning of each week, I have a look at my calendar and task list and make a schedule for each day. What I love about this is that you can easily do time blocking just by drag and dropping, which I think is awesome. Another way I use this app is for planning projects. It's kind of like how people use Notion. I use Amplenote for project management. Under the project tag, I have a bunch of notes. Each of them is a project like launching an online course or planning my girlfriend's birthday, and in each note I can make a detailed plan and make tasks if necessary. Then I can schedule the tasks into my calendar to get them done. And recently I get lots of questions like, why don't you just use Roam for task management? Yes, that would be ideal. Ideally, I just want to use one app for everything, but sadly there is no single app that can meet every single one of my needs. For example, Roam cannot offer task management and scheduling system as polished as this one. Plus, Amplenote has a great mobile app which you can open instantly without a long loading screen like in Roam and Notion. This is very important for me because I want to be able to check my tasks and schedule on the go without having to wait for ages every time. Anyway, if you want to know more about Amplenote, please watch the 2 videos I made about it. Now, let's talk about collecting information. For knowledge workers like myself, collecting information, learning new things is very important. The quality of the input affects the quality of output. For a long time, I've been using Refind and Mailbrew. Refind is similar to apps like Feedly. It curates articles and videos from your favorite websites and blogs. But what's unique about this app is that it selects only a handful of items that it thinks you like based on its algorithm. So every morning I get 20 links that are relevant to my interests. I find this helpful because this way I don't get overwhelmed by a long list of unread articles like I did with Feedly. And if you want to read more, you can go to Explore to see trending articles as well as deep dive collections. Mailbrew is a similar curating app, but not just for articles, but also for popular tweets and top links from your Twitter timeline, newsletters that you're subscribed to, the best new products from Product Hunt, and so on. You will receive a daily briefing like this every morning so you stay updated. What's awesome about Mailbrew is its customizability. You can include lots of different things in your daily briefing, and you can even share your brew with other people. If you don't want to use multiple apps for collecting information, or if you want to stay updated with minimal amount of time, Mailbrew is a great option. Okay, finally, I want to talk about my favorite tools to help you focus. The first tool is Forest. I think everybody knows about this app. It's a focus timer app with gamification element. You plant a tree and focus for a period of time. If you leave the app, you fail and the tree will wither. It's super simple, but I love the design. It's fun to use and very cheap too. I think it's like $3. Now, Forest can be even more powerful with Brain FM. It's a functional music app to improve your concentration. It has a wide range of music designed to help you get in the zone. I was very skeptical of this kind of app, to be honest, but after trying it out, I find myself focusing better and longer. Since then, I always use it whenever I work, study, relax, or sleep. And my most favorite way of preparing for deep work is that, first of all, I schedule an hours-long time block in the morning in Amplenote. Then I set a focus timer for 25 minutes in Forest, play deep work music in Brain FM, and get to work. Personally, this routine works like a charm and I get a lot of things done every time. Alright, so those are my absolute essential apps I use every single day. But if you have your own productivity stack, please share it in the comment below because I want to know more about you guys. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!